Hi, I have here a ring of fire and the seller is using this sphagnum moss for this ring of fire, but I have to remove this one. Okay, that's it. So this is the whole of the ring of fire, but I have to cut some of this. Okay, so that's it. And itatanim ko na siya dito. I bought this at 140 pesos. 140 pesos lang actually. So kung naamo dihay mga 1.5 liter nga mga bottle sa plastic bottle sa soft drinks, pwede nyo i-donate sa kuha. It's done.